them to take my egg away. Imagine what it must be like out there.
Beyond the horizon,
Wow!
there is an adventure
This is our friend, Bat.
Look at your wings. What are they for?
ready to take flight.
Into the arms of the universe.
We are lost, but I couldn't have imagined anything so beautiful.
Discover a world of wonder.
Why are we here?
So you, in your wisdom, could help others.
Yes, of course. From now on, Birdbad has to change.
Then we have to go back home.
That's right.
Should we be worried about that?
Could have been worse.
Did you see that?
Featuring the voices of Khalid Abdallah,
May you journey on, my friends.
Academy Award winners Alicia Vikander,
I'm a very rare bird.
Jim Broadbent,
Time to get home!
and Jeremy Irons,
Non-stop to Birdbad.
with music composed by Peter Gabriel and Tim Broussard.
I'm on top of the world! Let's show them what they can be.
Birds Like Us.
Look at me.